Well, this is frozen.
Yes, it is. So we're going to keep our fingers out of it. It's also very cold.
So, ice cream is cold.
Yes, I know.
Okay, now what do you do?
First, toppings.
Okay, explain what's happening.
I'm putting on toppings.
What toppings are you putting on?
M&M's, gummy bears, and chocolate chips.
Okay. First you start with the chocolate chips, huh?
Mm-mm.
Oh no, you start with the M&Ms.
Then the chocolate chips, and then the gummy bears.
Okay. And how much do you put in each out of each of those?
A big handful.
How big?
This
You're
big.
not fooling around, are you? And what are those? Gummy bears?
First, I eat one to try them. Then, I put them.
Good? Uh-oh.
Ice.
Somebody's in trouble. All right, now do you put any toppings on that?
Oh yeah.
Wait, other than the candy?
Yes. Oh, syrup.
How are we defining topping?
Chocolate.
What kind of syrup is that?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. All right, let's see what happens now. Oh my God.
Whoa.
That is giving
Okay,
me a
that's
toothache.
enough. That's enough. That's enough.
Grandma's always spoiling fun.
There.
Good? All right, now what?
That goes in the fridge.
Now I eat it.
All right, let's see. Put it back in the fridge. All right, let's go. Get a spoon. All right, you ready? Go. How's it taste?
Cold.
Cold.
I don't know if that's a taste. Do you? Grandma's over here eating your brothers.
Just as chocolate chips that were on the side.
Good?